Students, we are discussing acid base and salts, activity 9. So, in the activity 9, I want to ask you one question. What's happened when acid is added to water? What happens when acid is added to water? This is the question. The answer is already somewhat we know. When acid is added to water, it releases H plus ions, right? So we know that. So we'll do experiment to understand more information about this. So take 50 ml of water in a beaker and add 5 ml of acid slowly through the walls of beaker. Through the walls of beaker, we're going to add slowly water into acid, acid into water. Sorry. Then what will happen? So result will write. Result. So what will happen? Heat is released. Result is heat is released. So what we called when water is added to acid or acid is added to water. Okay. So what we called it as a dilution. So water is added to acid is called dilution. Acid or base also we can write. Acid or base is called dilution. So next, as for our experiment, what we can say, dilution is a exothermic reaction. So reaction we will write here CHCl and you add water, so H plus H2O plus Cl minus, these two are combined to form hydronium ion and plus heat, so exothermic reaction. So if you take H2SO4 plus water, 2H2 we're gonna take 2H plus ions plus H2O, 2H2O plus SO4 2 minus 2H3O plus ions plus what we can write, heat. This is called heat of neutralization. So heat of dilution we can call it. Sorry. So the heat is released in the reaction, that is called heat of, what we called, heat of dilution. So this heat is called heat of dilution. Now another question I want to ask you, second question, how we going to add the water? How we add water for dilution? So how we gonna add? That means option A, water to acid. Option B, acid to water. So what is the right answer? The answer is B. Answer is B. Why? Because acid to water. So in the experiment also we took the water 50 ml, 5 ml of acid we slowly added. If you add water to acid, what will happen? Water to acid, what will happen? It is a vigorous reaction. So the water may sprinkled out or explosion reaction we can say. That's why it is dangerous. So what we're gonna do? Acid to water only we're gonna add. This is answer, and we will see the experiment and you can understand easily. Okay, once you see the experiment I will show you. So this is the answer. So this is the experiment. So another experiment I will show you once you listen. So next experiment is this one. So if you add acid, if you add water into acid, what will happen? So it is a vigorous reaction. Did you see? It may the acid comes out and so it causes damage to our skin or our eyes, anything.